Some of you are confused about my previous videos on Quonset Barndominiums under $150,000. Let me be clear, that number requires massive DIY work and only gets you a basic shell. Today I am giving you the complete, honest turnkey cost from purchasing land to moving into a fully finished luxury Quonset Barndominium. No more confusion, just real numbers. Stay until the very end because I am breaking down every single dollar. Let's get into the truth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I need to address something important. My previous videos about building Quonset Barndominiums under $150,000 created confusion. Some viewers thought you could buy land and build a complete move-in ready luxury home for $150,000 total. That is absolutely not true. Today I'm correcting that. I am showing you the complete turnkey cost from start to finish in 2025. This includes land purchase, site preparation, foundation, shell, complete interior finishing to luxury standards, utilities, permits, everything. No DIY assumptions. No cutting corners. Just professional turnkey construction. I have researched current 2025 pricing, talked to builders, analyzed real projects, and I am giving you accurate numbers you can actually budget with. Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Smash that like button, comment below, and tell me what size barndominium you are planning. Now let's break down the real costs. Land costs. Your first major expense is purchasing land. According to USDA August 2025 data, U.S. farmland averages $4,350 per acre. However, building land varies dramatically by location. Rural building land costs in 2025. Affordable states like Arizona, New Mexico, Wyoming cost $4,000 to $8,000 per acre. Mid-range states like Texas, Missouri, Tennessee cost $8,000 to $15,000 per acre. Higher cost states like Florida, Colorado, North Carolina cost $15,000 to $30,000 per acre. For our example, I am using a realistic 3-acre parcel in a mid-range state at $12,000 per acre equals $36,000 for land. But you're not done. You also need land survey costing $800 to $1,800. Soil testing for septic costing $500 to $1,500. Perk test costing $750 to $1,500. Title insurance and closing costs costing $2,000 to $4,000. Total land acquisition, $40,000 to $45,000. For our calculation, $42,000 for land and related costs. Site preparation. Once you own land, it must be prepared for construction. Site preparation includes land clearing costing $1,200 to $3,700. Grading and leveling costing $1,000 to $5,000. Driveway installation costing $2,500 to $12,000, depending on gravel or asphalt. Drainage work costing $1,000 to $3,000. Excavation for utilities costing $2,000 to $5,000. Building permits costing $500 to $2,000. Septic permit costing $450 to $2,300. Engineering for local codes costing $1,500 to $3,000. For a 3-acre site with moderate clearing, gravel driveway, and standard grading, $12,000 to $18,000. Our budget, $15,000 for site preparation. Foundation costs. Quonset Barndominiums typically use reinforced concrete slab foundations. According to 2025 data, foundation costs range from $6 to $14 per square foot, depending on thickness and local labor rates. For a 2,400 square foot building, standard 4-inch slab costs $6 to $8 per square foot equals $14,400 to $19,200. Reinforced 6-inch slab recommended for shop area costs $10 to $14 per square foot equals $24,000 to $33,600. Most builders recommend thicker slab for garage and standard for living areas. Blended average, $8 to $11 per square foot. For 2,400 square feet at $10 per square foot, $24,000 for foundation. This includes excavation, gravel base, rebar reinforcement, concrete, finishing, and curing. Quonset shell package. Now the actual Quonset structure. According to 2025 industry sources, Quonset kit packages cost $14 to $28 per square foot for materials plus delivery. 2025 Quonset kit pricing. Basic Q model full arch costs $14 to $18 per square foot. S model with straight walls and curved roof costs $18 to $24 per square foot. P model peak design costs $22 to $28 per square foot. For our 2,400 square foot S model, which is most popular for residential, $18 to $22 per square foot average equals $43,200 to $52,800. Shell assembly labor. Professional installation adds $10 to $18 per square foot. For 2,400 square feet, $24,000 to $43,200. Combined shell package with professional installation, $67,200 to $96,000. For our mid-range estimate, $80,000 for complete erected shell. This includes Quonset arch panels, end wall framing and materials, all fasteners and hardware, professional installation, and 50-year structural warranty. Utility connections. Getting utilities to your rural property is expensive. Based on 2025 data, expect $9,000 to $34,500 depending on distance from main lines. Electrical connection. If power lines exist within 300 feet costs $1,000 to $3,000. Running new lines costs $5 to $25 per linear foot. Transformer, if needed, costs $3,000 to $7,000. Average electrical hookup, $5,000 to $12,000. Water system. Drilling a well for most rural properties costs $5,000 to $15,000. This includes drilling at $30 to $80 per foot, average well depth 150 to 300 feet, pump, pressure tank, and testing. Average well cost, $8,000 to $12,000. Septic system. Conventional system costs $5,000 to $12,000. Aerobic system, if soil requires, costs $10,000 to $20,000. Average septic installation, $8,000 to $15,000. Propane tank installation, $700 to $5,700. Average, $2,500. Total utility connections, $23,500 to $41,500. For our mid-range rural property, $32,000 for all utilities. Interior finishing. This is where the real money goes. Interior finishing is the difference between a metal shell and a luxury home. According to 2025 data, interior finishing costs $75 to $150 per square foot for mid-range to high-end finishes. We are finishing 1,600 square feet as living space to luxury standards. The 800 square foot garage gets basic finished floor, insulated walls, and drywall ceiling. Living space finishing for 1,600 square feet. Insulation is critical for metal buildings. Spray foam insulation recommended costs $1.50 to $5 per square foot. For walls and ceiling, 1,600 square feet times 2.5 equals 4,000 square feet. Cost $10,000 to $15,000. Interior framing and drywall. Framing interior walls costs $5 to $10 per square foot. Drywall installation costs $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot. Painting costs $2 to $6 per square foot. Combined, $13,600 to $31,200. Flooring. Luxury vinyl plank for living areas costs $4 to $8 per square foot. Tile for bathrooms costs $8 to $15 per square foot. Average for 1,600 square feet, $8,000 to $16,000. Kitchen. Custom cabinets cost $8,000 to $20,000. Quartz countertops cost $4,000 to $8,000. High-end appliance package costs $5,000 to $10,000. Plumbing fixtures and installation cost $2,000 to $4,000. Total kitchen, $19,000 to $42,000. Bathrooms, 2 full baths. Master bath with tile shower, double vanity. Luxury finishes cost $12,000 to $18,000. Hall bath with tub shower combo and single vanity costs $7,000 to $11,000. Total bathrooms, $19,000 to $29,000. Electrical system. Complete wiring for 1,600 square feet costs $6,000 to $12,000, including outlets, switches, fixtures, and panel. Average, $9,000. Plumbing system. Rough-in plumbing costs $4 to $6 per square foot equals $6,400 to $9,600. Fixtures and water heater cost $3,000 to $6,000. Total, $9,400 to $15,600. HVAC system. Mini-split system ideal for metal buildings costs $6,000 to $12,000. Traditional HVAC costs $8,000 to $15,000. For 1,600 square feet, $10,000 to $14,000. Interior doors and trim. Interior doors, 5 to 6 doors, cost $1,500 to $3,500. Window trim, baseboard, crown molding cost $3,000 to $6,000. Total, for $1,500 to $9,500. Windows and exterior doors. Windows 8 to 12 windows cost $5,000 to $12,000. Entry door and garage doors cost $3,000 to $8,000. Total, $8,000 to $20,000. Garage finishing, 800 square feet. Insulation costs $2,500 to $4,000. Drywall ceiling costs $1,600 to $2,800. Painted walls cost $800 to $1,600. Epoxy floor coating costs $2,400 to $4,000. Electrical costs $2,000 to $3,500. Total garage, $9,300 to $15,900. Total interior finishing, $118,200 to $223,200. For our mid to high-end build, $165,000 for complete interior. Additional costs. Do not forget these essential expenses. Covered entry porch 10 by 20 feet costs $6,000 to $12,000. Landscaping and grading around home costs $3,000 to $8,000. Septic drain field landscaping costs $1,500 to $3,000. Final inspections and permit costs $500 to $1,500. Additional costs, $12,000 to $28,500. Our budget, $18,000 for additional items. The complete turnkey total. Let me add up every single cost for a professionally built, turnkey, move-in ready, 2,400 square foot Quonset Barndominium with 1,600 square feet of luxury living space. Complete cost breakdown. Land acquisition, 3 acres. $42,000 site preparation. $15,000 foundation, 2,400 square feet. $24,000 Quonset shell with installation. $80,000 utility connections, well, septic, electric, propane. $32,000 interior finishing living space plus garage. $165,000 additional cost porch. Landscaping, $18,000. Total turnkey cost, $376,000. Per square foot, $157 per square foot based on 2,400 total square feet. Per finished living space, $235 per square foot based on 1,600 finished square feet. This is for a luxury build in a mid-range cost area. Your cost could be lower end with basic finishes, cheap land, DIY some work, $280,000 to $320,000. Higher end with expensive land, premium finishes, complex site, $420,000 to $550,000. Cost comparison. How does this compare to traditional construction? According to 2025 data, traditional stick-built homes cost $100 to $200+ per square foot turnkey. The national average is around $150 to $180 per square foot. Our Quonset at $157 per square foot is right in line with traditional construction. But here is the advantage. You are getting 2,400 square feet total with 1,600 square feet finished immediately and 800 square feet of garage that you can finish later. The Quonset advantage is not necessarily cheaper cost per square foot. It is the clear span design, faster construction time, lower maintenance, extreme durability, and built-in shop space. Regional variations. These costs vary by region. Lowest cost states like Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma have land at $3,000 to $8,000 per acre with lower labor rates. Total project, $280,000 to $340,000. Mid-range states like Texas, Tennessee, Missouri have land at $8,000 to $15,000 per acre with average labor. Total project, $340,000 to $400,000. Higher cost states like Colorado, North Carolina, Florida have land at $20,000 to $50,000 per acre with higher costs. Total project, $420,000 to $550,000 plus dollars. The DIY savings reality. Now let me address the DIY question, since my previous videos focused on this. If you do significant DIY work, you can reduce costs substantially. What DIY can save? Shell assembly saves $24,000 to $40,000. Interior framing and drywall saves $10,000 to $20,000. Painting saves $3,000 to $8,000. Some finish carpentry saves $3,000 to $8,000. Some electrical and plumbing with licensed inspector approval saves $5,000 to $15,000. Total potential DIY savings, $45,000 to $91,000. This could bring your total cost down to $285,000 to $330,000 for the same build. However, this requires construction knowledge and skills, significant time commitment 6 to 12 months, physical ability, tools and equipment, help from friends, understanding of building codes, and licensed work for critical systems. Most people cannot or should not do this much DIY work. Clearing up the confusion. Let me directly address my previous videos. What I said before, you can build a Quonset Barndominium for under $150,000 with DIY work. What people heard, you can buy land and build a complete luxury Quonset Barndominium for $150,000 total. The reality, $150,000 is possible only if you already own land, do all shell assembly yourself, do significant interior finishing yourself, and accept basic finishes, not luxury. $150,000 is essentially the construction-only cost for a smaller, simpler build with DIY labor. It does not include land and does not include professional luxury finishing. A more realistic $150,000 DIY breakdown would be foundation $18,000, Quonset kit $40,000, DIY assembly $0, basic utility connections $15,000, partial interior finishing 1,200 square feet, basic $60,000, $75,000, permits and extras $7,000. Total $140,000 to $155,000 plus land costs, plus your hundreds of hours of labor. This gets you a basic functional home, not a luxury turnkey build. The bottom line. Here is the honest truth about Quonset Barndominiums in 2025. For a complete turnkey build with professional contractors, expect to budget $280,000 to $550,000 total, depending on size, finishes, and location. Expect $120 to $180 per square foot for turnkey completion. The advantages of Quonset Barndominiums are incredibly strong structure rated to 190 mph winds, very fast construction with shell up in days, low long-term maintenance with 50-year metal warranty, dramatic interior ceiling height at no extra cost, clear span design with no load-bearing walls, built-in garage shop space, and can finish in phases as budget allows. The disadvantages are industrial appearance. Curved walls can complicate furniture placement near edges, may be harder to finance than traditional homes, and limited resale market in some areas. If you're seriously considering a Quonset Barndominium, here's my advice. Budget realistically using $300,000 to $400,000 as your starting point, not $150,000. Get multiple quotes from at least 3 contractors. Plan for contingencies by adding 10 to 15% to every estimate. Understand your financing options and talk to banks before you buy land. Consider phase construction, building shell, and basic interior first. Work with experienced contractors who know Quonset buildings. Do not underestimate DIY time. Quonset Barndominiums are amazing structures with unique benefits, but they are not necessarily cheaper than traditional construction on a per square foot basis for turnkey builds. The value is in the included garage space, durability, and design flexibility. I hope this video clears up all confusion about Quonset Barndominium costs. This is the complete, honest reality of what you will spend for a professional turnkey build in 2025. If this helped you, please smash that like button and subscribe for more honest construction content. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you still interested in a Quonset Barndominium now that you know the real costs? I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.